What's up, YouTube? All I got to say is, yeah, boy. I think the package I was looking for has arrived. Let's see what it is. Come on, let's take a look. Flip this thing around like that. Bam. Nope. Like this. Nope. Like that. Nope. All right. Uh-oh. I think this is it. Can't flip it around. Stupid. Okay. Oh boy. That's it. That's it, America. Look here. Ooh, look at that. Look at smoke. Look at that. Stop it. Cigarfest 2019. Cigars International, America's Megahertz. Nice. There's the hat. And, oh, look at that. The shirt. I'm not going to open the shirt right now. Well, you know what? I'm going to open the shirt now. Excuse the shaking around in the camera. All right, look at that. Look, Smokey. Look at that. That's a cool shirt. That's a good smoking shirt. Look at that. That is awesome. Hold on. Take a better look here. Yep. Okay. And dun dun dun. Oh, we got more stuff here. Triple play. Some kind of scratch ticket or something. Yeah. I guess. What else we got? Oh, I got a bunch of tickets. Look at this. Oh, look at this. There we go, baby. That's the, here we go. The mother load. Bam! All right. See y'all there. Have a good time.